Everyone. So I replaced the windshield wipers of the girlfriend's Explorer, and was a little intimidated by this guy. Um, Tried to make it overextend, all these fun things, and it was way simpler than I thought it would be. I first got this guy, Trico Exact Fit 11-G rear blade. It has all sorts of instructions, which are totally irrelevant for this application. The blade had a blade cover on it, slid that off. Has a little adapter that you can just throw in the trash because you don't end up needing it. Let's swirl you around. Just slide your finger in between here. You can see that old blade's kind of ripping apart, and it just pops straight off. Of course, it's going to do it hard now because I have only one hand. So it just snaps right in and out. Again, all I did was slide my finger in between the two and just apply pressure away, and it popped right off. That one's for the trash, and you'll see this one goes on. There's no real top or bottom that I can see. So you'll see that center. You see how it just would click on there. And then where we took this filler away, my beautiful Mazda 3 in the background. Follow that little center deal. Of course, it's going to be hard to show this. Click on my old ass phone. Okay. Make sure it's lined up. Alright, center it. I want to hear that satisfying click. And as soon as it clicks, it's on there perfectly. Enjoy seeing out the back of your Explorer once again. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thanks.